Greetings. Okay, so I'm going to show you today how to get Minecraft on your Chromebook. We have so many students who are interested in Minecraft, and it's a really great educational program. And if you didn't know that, yes, it is. So we are going to go right here to the desktop. That's what we call this right here. And we're going to go to this circle. It's called the launcher on the Chromebooks. Now, yours might be on the bottom. Yours might be on the left. I have mine on the right side because that's where I like this bar to be. But you're going to click on the launcher, okay? And then once you're in, you have the launcher open. This is where you can get to different apps. For example, the camera. A lot of students don't know how to get to the camera. Well, that's it right there. It's also up here as well, a little quick place for it. But we're going to click on the Play Store, okay? So click on the Play Store. And once that opens, you're going to search for and type in Minecraft. Notice mine's showing up there because I'd already typed it in. And there it is, Minecraft Education Edition. The only difference with Minecraft Education Edition is that it's free to install when you're doing it for educational purposes, okay? So you can also look for it on iPads as well. The Minecraft Education Edition is free, okay? So that's really cool. And it's the same as Minecraft. It's just that it's free, which is awesome. So then you would click on install. Okay. And you just have to wait and let it finish installing. Okay. And once it's finished, then it'll allow you to click on open. And depending on your internet connection, it might take, a couple minutes. Sometimes when your internet is slow, it might take longer, okay? But it shouldn't take it too long to install. And notice it shows the percentage of the installation. So we're almost at 50% right now. It's not taking too long. Almost finished. And while this is installing, so there is a competition with Minecraft where you can do a special project and turn it in. So I'm going to talk about that in another video, but I wanted to just show any students who are interested in downloading Minecraft how you can do so on the Chromebooks or on, like I said, the iPads as well. Okay, for the iPads, though, you would go to the App Store is the only difference. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful. Notice it's almost finished installing, and I look forward to teaching you another tip.